Hey everyone, this is Julie here with Her That. Guess what? We're going to do another shutter job. I want to just let you see what. These are a little bit different. Let me turn you around here. Say hi, Randy. These are colored shutters. It's going to go on this White House, which I think is going to be gorgeous. It's going to match her trim that's up there. Let me show you this landscape. Isn't that pretty? So many flowers. That's so pretty. But anyway, this is what it's going to go on this one and that one right there. She bought some hinges, so we're going to put some hinges on it too. So we'll get this going. Randy, do you want to do the hinges first? Okay, let me go help him get all that together. Y'all stay tuned.
These shutters are huge.
Okay, so we have them all laid out. You can tell what that's going to look like. It's going to make it pop a little bit more. Okay, we did our part. We got the curved shutters on this window. We got the straight over there. The customer is going to put some hinges on that she found. She wants it a little bit old-fashioned like. So can't wait to see what she picked out for the hinges. But this is it. It's a beautiful home. Now it's even more beautiful with the shutters. She did the shutters to match the trim like I was saying earlier. So it looks pretty. Hey everyone, we're at a house here in Rockwall, Texas. We're going to be putting shutters on this one, and this one, and the shutters are to match the fence over there. So let's get started. Okay, we have them all where they're supposed to go. Now Randy is over there getting everything ready to install. I think it matches the fence perfect. While we were putting up shutters, we saw a little dove's nest. Can y'all see it in there? There it is. See it? But this is what the shutters looks like. Randy's putting up a flag pole for her that she wanted up. It's so sweet of him to do that. So what do you think, y'all? Y'all like this color with her home that matches her fence? I think it looks really good. Really made it pop. I'm gonna go over here to this house. That is a no. Those shutters don't even match that window. Please don't do that. Look, it needed to come all the way down here. Plus these are curved. That's square. That's an X. Don't do that.